Welcome back to day 90. Oh my gosh, Confidence to Cash Sprint day 90. Can you believe it? You did it, my friends. 90 days of showing up, 90 days of learning, 90 days of growing, 90 days of becoming the person you said you wanted to be. I want you to take a breath and really let it sink in. Most people never finish what they start, but most people quit at resistance, at distraction, at doubt, at the first moment that things feel so uncomfortable. But you didn't quit. You kept showing up, even in those days that you were tired, even in those days that you didn't feel confident, even when life pulled you in 100 directions. And that tells me something important. The journey isn't about your business. It's about your identity. It's about the version you want to become and you want to grow into. Because once you prove to yourself that you can stay committed for 90 days, you start believing that you can stay committed for 6 months, for a year, for a lifetime. This sprint has been building a skill inside of you that money cannot buy. It's called self-trust. The belief that when you say, I'm going to do this, you actually follow through. So before we talk about the next week, I want you just to pause and I want you to ask yourself, what did I learn? How did I grow? And what did I do to overcome? And the last one is, and who am I now that I wasn't on day one? Your answers matter so much because they become the fuel for your next season. The sprint is not the end, my friend. It is the beginning of a new chapter of your digital journey. You've learned how to show up. You've learned how to create. You've learned how to be consistent and you've learned how to lead. And most importantly, how to believe in yourself again. Now you have the mindset, the habit, and the confidence to build something real, something sustainable, something that creates time freedom, financial growth, and the life that you're proud of. Day 90 is the moment that you step into your new identity. Your final challenge is so simple. Record a short video sharing what this sprint has taught you. How have you changed? What are you going to step into next? And this is the moment that you declare the new season. Thank you for showing up, my friend. Thank you for trusting the process. And thank you for letting me be part of your journey. This is not a goodbye. This is your beginning. And I want to be there along the way to help you any way I can. I'm so proud of you. I'm so, so proud of you. Keep going, keep soaring, keep asking questions because there's never a question that's not worthy of an answer. And whatever it is, you can find the answer and the solution and soar forward and help other people. You have a journey, you have a story, but more importantly, you have a mission that God's put on your heart to help others. Go bless them. I will see you soon, and I cannot wait to see you soar on your digital journey. Thanks for being here with me, my friend.